what is the crime here they're alleging? You know, putting the business expenses in the wrong column? I mean, this is a CPA error, and we're going to drag the guy into court like this? It is pretty ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah, well, first of all, it's not even clear that there is any error here, much less a crime, but the record-keeping violation is beyond the statute of limitations if there were a violation. Now, more importantly, to make it a current crime and a felony, you have to be able to tack on some other intentional offense that is being done through the non-crime of recording legal fees as such in your books. Now, Donald Trump doesn't do the books of his company. Donald Trump hasn't been shown through any witness in this trial so far, not Stormy Daniels, not any of the others, other than convicted perjurer, serial liar, lies whenever his lip is moving, witness Michael Cohen, who's on the stand today. And Michael Cohen has been shown through his own pleas, his own testimony, and the cross-examination on the stand today, even the prosecution's examination of him, rehabilitating him before the cross-examination today, has shown him to be a guy who is admitted to lying. And today, so far on the cross-examination, President Trump's lawyers have done a tremendous job of showing the jury what a dishonest, despicable person this man is, who lies, who records his client, which is a gross violation of ethics, who has a financial motivation and an axe to grind with Donald Trump, and who, if he were shown to be telling the truth today, this would be the first day in his professional career where one could count on that. But you can't count on it. And I think even this jury, even a New York jury, is going to be leery of a witness who records his client, who lies, who's a convicted perjurer, and who has an axe to grind and a financial motivation to see Donald Trump convicted. And so the jury's seeing his own words on social media saying horrible things, saying how he wants President Trump behind bars. And the fact that this judge allowed Michael Cohen to smear and taint the jury with his ongoing TikTok and other television testimony is sufficient to cause a mistrial in this case. It's really outrageous. And, I hope we don't even get there.
Well, we'll see. Cooley Law School in Lansing, Michigan must be awfully proud of their most infamous graduate, Michael Cohen, today. He also had this whole thing called The Fixer. I'm sure you saw this trailer for this television series he was pitching, shopping around to Netflix and all the other folks, where he was almost like the Sopranos type guy. I'm the fixer and I've got the inside story. He has been profiting off this to the best of his ability for years now. And so I go back to Stormy Daniels, who openly admitted she hates Donald Trump. Here's Michael Cohen, who openly admits he hates Donald Trump and he's making money off the back of all this. And here's the problem. I believe that they're going to convict him because of the nature of the jury. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm jaded, but that's kind of what I think. But you nailed it when you said, look at all these appeals. This is ripe for appeal. This will never be resolved. If there is a conviction for whatever crime they have made up here, it will never be resolved before November 5th of this year, will it?
Well, first of all, they still haven't even said what the crime is. They're keeping that vague. This is a violation of due process. Second, this judge absolutely under New York law was required to recuse himself from this case. His daughter has an ongoing financial motivation, and one of his daughter's clients, Representative Dan Goldman, is alleged to be working and coaching Michael Cohen directly. There could not be a clearer miscarriage of justice than that.